Okay, so hey, hello friends, welcome back to my channel, myself Tirchani, and in today's video we are going to learn about how to install PyCharm. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So first things first, I have installed PyCharm already. So first I have to delete that. So we're simply going to here and type control panel, and in control panel we'll go and click on uninstall a program, and here it is PyCharm Community Edition 2021, and we'll simply going to uninstall it. So please wait until 1 second. It is saying please wait until the current program is finished uninstalling or being changed. So here the tab is here that PyCharm Community Edition uninstall. So please confirm if you want to delete caches, and so we'll take this settings and installed plugins everything, and we're going to uninstall it because मैंने कुछ ज़्यादा किया नहीं था. So while it is deleting, give a like this video. एक ही तो बटन दबाना है. So it is showing me that PyCharm uninstallation is completed successfully. So we are going to close it, okay, and we are going to close everything. Then we'll go here in Chrome browser, and simply we have to type PyCharm installation. I mean PyCharm install. PyCharm install. And here it is the first link of JetBrains, so you have to download that one. jetbrains.com/pycharm/download. The link is in the description. You can check it out from there. So here there are three options. If you want to download for Windows, then it is already selected. If you want to download for Mac, then here it is. And if you want to download for Linux, so you can see it. So there are two versions, professional and community. The professional one is paid. It is showing that you can take a free trial for some days, and then you can pay for it. And if you want to do simple development, simple Python development, then you can select community one. So we have to, and okay, sorry, you have to download it. Thank you for downloading PyCharm. So you can um, uh, enter your email to receive tips and tricks. It is showing that, so you can enter it. I don't want to enter. So we wait while it install. It is a file of 364 MB. My net is fast, so that's why it is the work that is downloading is fast. If you are using simple GeoNet, then it can may took some time. So wait for it. So while it is downloading, let me tell the specs about it. PyCharm specs. So can I run PyCharm on 4 GB RAM? My laptop is of 4 GB RAM. PyCharm may not be as fast as Visual Studio Code. It can rest fast on a computer having 4 GB RAM. So it is a good कि 4 GB RAM होना चाहिए तो चल जाएगा, but 8 GB RAM is recommended. अब मेरे लैपटॉप में तो SSD है, so that's why मेरा कंप्यूटर थोड़ा फास्ट है. So it is almost installed. Let's full it. Okay, we'll click on open when done. So it will automatically open. Let's go to downloads. Okay, so I have already downloaded it yesterday. So let me delete it. So here it is. Okay, so here it is giving some. Okay, so I will click on yes. Oh, 1 second. Here it is. Welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. Setup will guide you through the installation of PyCharm Community Edition. If it is recommended that, so you can read it full, we'll simply going to next. So you can browse the folder. I will go to this PC, and I'll go here, and I'll save it in new volume E, and I will click on OK. So it will save the all files in E file, I mean E folder. So we'll simply going to next, create a desktop shortcut. So if you want, then you can, if update context menu. So what is update context menu? I mean, I'll simply close it. So when we'll right click to refresh, so here it is, update context menu. So here is the option of open as brackets project. So if for example I have open a folder, and when I will right click on it, so here is the option open as bracket project. So the folder will automatically open as in automatically select. So that's, if you want to do that, then you can do that. So 1 second, I'll close the Chrome. Yes. So add open this project. So I will simply click on it, and if you want to add add to path, so you can do it. I don't want, so you can do, then choose, you have to simply install it. So it will may take some time. If your computer is slow, then don't worry, it will not lag very much. It will may take some minutes, but don't worry, this is the best if you want to write Python files, because it has almost very much thing, I mean बहुत सारी चीज़ें इसके अंदर। अब जैसा कि I have told previously that it is not fast like Visual Studio Code, but it is very good to write Python programs inside this in PyCharm. So here it is, completing PyCharm Community Edition setup. Shall simply finish it, and I'll make it look good. Here it is. So when we'll double click it, so when it will open, let me see. I mean, let me show you. So here it is. Huh. So import PyCharm settings. What is this? Do not import settings. I'll do not import, because if you are installing for first time, so may some setting will not आपको कुछ पता नहीं होगा कि क्या करना है. So that's why I have made this video. So it is opening, and after that I'll show you that what to do. So here it is, PyCharm is opened. So let's go here, and if we click on new project, so there are multiple things. I'll not simply go here, I'll go at exit. Yes, I'll simply refresh it, and let's go to folders, and let me create a new folder PyCharm projects. Okay, PyCharm projects, then we'll go to PyCharm projects, we'll go here and open folder as PyCharm Community Edition project. So here it is, a tab is opened. So it will load some components. Visual Studio Code में ऐसा नहीं होता, I know, but देखो, it is similar to Visual Studio Code. We'll go, got it. Okay, so it is updating index. So here are some tips. If you want, then you can check it out. So I'll close this, and I'll delete it, because I have read it all when I has installed. So it will automatically make a man.py file. If you want to rename it, then 1 second, it is updating something. Okay, it will configure a Python interpreter. So here it is, Python 3.9. My version is Python 3.9. So done. So here it is. Now you can write code. When I will right click, okay, so you can rename it or delete it and make again. There are no option of, I think, rename, I think. so it is not, but नाम से क्या होता है? So we can type anything, print array. 1 second, I have delete. I'll type print hello world, and you can run it. Here it is the option of run. When we'll click on run, okay, here it is. It will open the Python console and we have to click rerun. Okay, it is doing some updating. It may take some time, but after that it will run. So I have not, मुझे ये वीडियो बहुत लंबी नहीं बनानी. After that it will automatically run it. So that's it for today, guys. Please like, share and subscribe, and we'll meet you soon in the next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.